Hey gorgeous globe, Susie here from Empowered Consciousness Australia, and welcome to today's post. Now I'm sure some of you are thinking, hold on Susie, but I thought you were disconnecting from social media. I have! The beauty of technology is I've pre-recorded this and I've scheduled it to post automatically after Christmas but before the new year. How awesome is that? I wanted to share another hashtag my ha-ha moment with you. How many times do you say sorry? Have a little think about that. I'm prone to saying it quite often, which has connotations that I've actually done something wrong, and quite often I haven't. So I wanted to share what I'll be practicing throughout 2019, and I hope it helps some of you out there. Where I can, I'm going to be replacing the word sorry with thank you instead. Science has already proven that we can retrain our brains with our thoughts. The cells that fire together wire together. So the trick is to keep them as positive as you can. You can't stop your thoughts. Don't think of a pink pig. I said don't think of a pink pig. But you can choose how you react or respond to the thought. Today's post is all about reframing how we speak to have a positive slant to our language, which will, with time and practice, help keep our thoughts positive. It's called positive bundling. So next time you say sorry for being late, try saying, thank you for waiting for me. When you think sorry for unloading on you, replace that with thank you for always listening to me. Rather than saying, sorry for asking a favour, how about thank you for being someone I can depend on? Sorry for being a mess, to thank you for giving me your time. Sorry for being needy, to maybe thank you for understanding that I'm having a hard time right now. I hope today's post gives you some food for thought. That is the intention. Finally, I want to thank you all for following, liking and sharing my posts throughout 2018. There's more where that came from for next year. I'm currently working on a workshop that's being written at the moment, and we will speak about that a little bit later on, but I will keep you posted on that. So what I'd like to do is I hope that you all have an absolutely fabulous festive season, what's left of it, and New Year. I want to thank all the Enneagram teachers, the CBT practitioners, the life coaches, all the helping professions, family and friends that have followed me, supported me and encouraged me through the last year. It absolutely means the world to me. May your 2019 be a fabulous break and be a fabulous year filled with prosperity and good stuff. So this is Susie from Empowered Consciousness signing off for 2018. And don't forget guys, be the best version of you can be. Bye-bye for now.